Well, good morning. It's early morning. I'm gonna go and get Dottie up. Looks like the ladies are awake. Is everybody up? Good morning, Dottie. Good morning. We got some sleepyheads. Sorry. Oh. And why are you in a nesting box? I hope you weren't sleeping in there all night. I hope you're trying to lay right now. Did you lay your egg already? Awesome. Oh, yeah, there it is. Thank you for your egg this morning. There's your little egg.
Do you have the egg?
I didn't take the egg, no. I'm doing Dottie's meds and things. But I wanted to give you an update. And one of the things I didn't mention about chickens in some of their health is that when their combs are looking really great, that's a really good sign. When you look at Dottie's comb, it's beautiful and red, and that's a really good sign. And that was one thing that I wasn't paying attention to with the last video about Dottie. And so yesterday morning when I brought her in, I felt her crop. Yeah, I'm gonna need some up. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. You're okay.
No, you're okay.
You're okay. You're okay.
Yeah, just tuck them back in.
Your little weapons.
Tuck them in.
Your little weapons on me.
She's just trying to snuggle.
Okay. You're not gonna fall, honey. You're okay.
I won't trust you.
No, I know. So her little crop here, I could feel that it was like a little hard ball. So I'm thinking that she's got an impacted crop, because to have beautiful, healthy comb and wattle was definitely telling us that, she wasn't sickly per se. I went and watched some videos on how to release an impacted crop, and so I, attempted to try to go through it. But one of the things was definitely massaging the crop after I added a little bit of oil, gave her some water. So then I was giving her a really nice massage, and just to break up anything that was going on in there, after giving some water and a little bit of olive oil. Is that you, Dottie? Hello, chicken. So then we observed her throughout the day, and I noticed that her disposition had changed, where she was a little bit more engaged with everybody. She still has lost weight, so I'm still giving her Nutri-Drench. So she seems to be doing better. Nope, that's a bad sign. She likes those soldier flies, so I'm glad that she's eating those, because that is a nice sign of protein. And she's just going to pick through. And so her interactions with the flock were actually quite good throughout the day. She still would pull herself a little bit offside, but for the most part, she was pretty darn good. Later in the day, I did see that she had a normal poop, so that is a really good sign as well. Just gonna eat the candy for breakfast. Yeah, I think she's pretty much gotten almost every soldier fly out of there. How about we eat some, eat some mash, that's good. Is that good enough snacks? You singing, Dottie? You singing? Shall we go back? Come on, what you doing down there? Come on, Dottie. Are we gonna go back in? Come on. She's still walking a little slow, but it is early morning. But the fact that she just walked herself back up with just me standing off to the side is, again, another very good sign. So I will continue to give her the extra vitamins as she's building up strength. Give her a little bit of vegetable oil, do a little bit more massage just to make sure that there is no blockage going on. We'll check in with her in a little bit.
So I made her a little scrambled egg and put a little bit of grit into it to help the processing of breaking up the food.
Something too long for you? Okay, keep coming. There you go. There goes Dottie. Have you had enough? You want a bit more egg, Dottie? No, I know you want to go outside. Okay. There you go. Go outside. I love that she just walks herself up to the coop. She's like, nope, I know where to go. I know where my home is. I just think that's very sweet. Is it time to go home? You gonna go to sleep now, Dottie? There, Dottie. So Dottie is doing better, and I'm pretty sure what she had was an impacted crop. What caused it, I don't know. Sometimes it can be long pieces of grass where they get balled up in there with the food, and it just wasn't passing through. I even read where their rooster ate a bracelet. They were actually able to get it out of the rooster. I think the rooster had died, and the chicken owner actually revived it, and that rooster is fine now. I'm not really feeling like she's putting on a lot of weight, and I'm still observing that she's not eating a whole lot, because even with the treats, she's not interested. She'll eat the soldier flies, but I think because they break up really, really easy, they end up being very, very fine. Maybe her impacted crop actually caused some irritation and some pain in her. So I'm not sure. When your chicken has an impacted crop, it means that there is a blockage within the crop. And the way that I discovered that she had it was the one morning before I shot the video, when she came in, there was a golf ball sized mass inside her crop. And typically by morning, all of their crops should be empty. So that was a really good indication that her crop was not emptying. And so by adding in a little bit of olive oil and some water, I massaged it, and then I did watch some videos on how to help your chicken release an impacted crop. And this is where you have to turn them upside down and kind of work out the food, because chickens can't throw up. And so I attempted it a little bit, but I felt really uneasy about doing it by myself. So, I did do the oil in the water and did the gentle massage, and that seemed to be enough to help break it apart and get through her system. What she ate, I have no idea. But she's still not putting on the weight like I'd like to see, because it's been a few days. But her interactions with everybody is showing me that, she is somewhat better. It goes in your eyes. You're gonna go to sleep now? Have a little sleep. We're continuing to give her the NutriDrench, just so that she is getting those extra vitamins. But whether it is because the impacted crop, caused her pain, and so she's not really wanting to fill up her crop as she normally would. So thank you for all who have been checking in and to see how she is. So she is doing much better. She's just having a little sleep here. My little sleepy chicken. Dottie and I say we hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and we do look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care and God bless. Sleepy chicken.